Have you ever felt
to train? We're here today talking about motivation.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. Oh. Fuck.
No, that's again.
Fucking hell, that's bullshit.
Right.
Hello guys. Are you just...
What are you doing?
Fucking so relaxed. You're not even saying hello. Tune with one another to just know that. Hi guys. Oh, I thought you were going to jump in with me. So, is this a new introduction or is it just...
No, normally. Fucking me.
Alright.
Fuck, man.
Hi guys. Still got that low oxygen from the run.
You want me to do the intro?
No, I can do this. I can pull it out of the bag. I just need to find my voice.
Hi guys.
Wait a minute, wait, no, we can't do that.
Greetings! Hello!
Ready? Just you'll just know. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
That's it, you see that? Alright guys. What's happening?
I'll do as I wish with your muff.
Hi guys, just want to say a big thank you to all the new members. We really appreciate your likes, subscribes. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe! Are you ready for week 4 of your meditation section, which will begin right now? That's it, right in there. Hi guys, welcome to Sunday's Q&A.
Q&A. That's your American ready, isn't it? Right, okay.
Symbiosis, sort of, you know.
Just whenever you're ready, mate, I'm ready.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. Right, okay.
No more messing about, man.
This is it. This is it.
This is the one.
Check 1 2 1 2. At least it's right, doesn't it?
Yeah. I mean, yeah. Just maybe one leg shorter than the other or something.
Right. What is your favourite giraffe-themed story?
Well, I'd have to say, I mean, the clear, obvious choice has got to be Jiffy the giraffe as he goes on his holidays.
You're wrong.
Is that,
It's the wrong
there's a right answer to this? It's not an opinion.
You're wrong. Wait, I've got shit in my pocket.
Get that shit out, it'll be coming all over the place.
That's enough for a minute.
I'm
I'm going to have to put everything into this.
that handsome side in. The other side's like Harvey Two-Face. You can say that then. You don't need to, you know, we can both say
I'm
it.
going to say M4 orientated.
Right. Craig, on a scale of 1 being highly unlikely and 10 being likely, how likely is it that you're unlikely to achieve your health and fitness goals?
5.
The safe answer.
5 all day.
I'm a 10 all the way. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Thanks for joining us.
It's fine now.
That's alright. It was, you nearly killed us, but
I know, don't worry.
you nearly killed Train.